In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate elemental transformation art using Nano Banana. We'll start right from the basics so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. You're looking for the official Gemini site from Google. Click that result to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual Google account. Once you're in, look for the Create Image option. Clicking this button will activate the Nano Banana image feature behind the scenes, which is what we'll use to bring the elemental transformation to life. Before generating, prepare a clear reference image. This should be a well-lit photo with the subject centered and not too busy in the background. The cleaner the reference, the better the transformation will anchor to the person or object. In Gemini, select the plus sign to upload your reference image from your device. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and higher resolution usually helps the model capture details more accurately. Next, you'll write the prompt that tells the tool what to create. You can copy this exact prompt to get started. A dramatic cinematic scene of a man transformed into an ice-covered figure, sitting on a transparent block of cracked ice. This prompt sets the mood, subject, and key visual elements. If you want to tailor it, think in terms of materials, atmosphere, and composition. Words like frosted texture, blue-white highlights, drifting cold mist, or high-contrast lighting can push the style further. You can also mention camera style, like wide-angle shot or portrait lighting, if you want a specific look. With your reference uploaded and your prompt ready, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate image options based on the reference and your description. Give it a moment. When the results appear, look closely at how the ice effect integrates with the subject and whether the cracked ice block reads clearly. If the transformation isn't intense enough, refine the prompt by emphasizing phrases like fully encased in ice, visible frost patterns on skin, or cinematic blue rim light. If it's too intense, soften it with subtle frost accents or partial transformation. You can repeat the submit step after minor prompt tweaks to incrementally guide the style. That's it. You've just used Nano Banana within Gemini to create elemental transformation art from a simple reference photo and a well-structured prompt. Save your favorite result, and when you're ready for another element, like fire, lightning, or stone, swap the material words in the prompt and iterate. Keep your reference clean, your prompts descriptive, and you'll get striking results fast.